Welcome in Craft and Design 3.0. I'm for my dear audience. In this video, I will describe some different and much beautiful ideas of a scrap wood project, amazing scrap wood project for different purpose, for decoring purpose, decoring our house, homes, our small lawn, our gardens. So, my dear guys, when we talk about a scrap wood, then different question arise in our mind, like what is a scrap wood? What are the types of scrap wood, or what can scrap wood use for in PZ, and what is a scrap timber? So, my dear guys, scrap wood is production waste from sawmills, carpenters' workshops, or furniture factories, and unwanted wood, or untreated, or unworked wood, or offcuts from building sites, from different upper building sites or lower building sites. So scaffolding and planks struts. So use wood includes wooden building parts and wooden materials such as wooden packaging, crates, pallets, but also wooden furniture in different categories, different types, wooden windows, uh, wooden different toys for our dear children, dear guys, dear audience, lovely children. So, my dear guys, if we talk about the types of wood scrap for shredding, so wood waste like dry wood, used wooden furniture or cartoons for package, large scrap or small scrap wood, hardwood or softwood, so solid wood or composite wood, hardened wood can all be shredded and turned into wood chips. So, if we talk about PZ used scrap wood, the only use of scrap wood is as a fuel inside a campfire, charcoal and barbecue are antique oven and lasts for many times 1 hour or 24 minutes if done so. So when we talk about a scrap wood, then a scrap timber also is essential. So wood reclaimed primarily from old structures such as old building, bridges, and other sources. So post-industrial reclaimed wood reclaimed from the waste produced by wood processing and manufacturing, such as smaller thin scrap materials from furniture manufacturing and other. So, what is the scrap process? The process of product scrapping typically involves identifying the faulty or substandard products, segregating them from the acceptable ones, and disposing of them in a responsible manner. So, scrap product may be recycled, reused, or sold as raw material or spare parts, or off time we can use work off time we can use it in different manners. So scrap and its type of scrap consists of recyclable material, usually metals left over from product manufacturing and consumption, so such as parts of vehicles, building supplies, and surplus materials. But in wooden material also, it can be recyclable wooden material, wooden toys, wooden pot, wooden different magic, wooden chairs, wooden tables, different tables, or old stump also. So unlike waste scrap has monetary value, it can be profitable, or it can be low cost, but have a high profitable, so especially recovered materials of wooden and non some different. Also, when we talk about metal, then metal and non-metallic materials are also recovered for recycling. But it in waste wood also uses. So when we talk about what are uses of scrap wood project or waste wood, uses for recycled waste wood includes traditional feedstock for the panel board industry, which still accounts for the majority of recycled wood, as well as animal bedding, um, equestrian and landscaping surface, play areas and filter beds, and different terminology of making. So, how many types of scap are there? Scap steel can be broken down into three main groups, each with different price, plant, and qualities. Home or return scap. It's also scap with home or return. First of all, we can use it in a home decoration, in our sitting room decoration, in our living room decorations, in front of our house doorstep, in small lawn in front of our house, and industrial or prompt scrap and obsolete post-consumer scrap. In industrial, different industrial, large-scale industries in which different learners, different economical positioning um, peoples do a task, do a handmade work, and make different things. Then it can be sold in different industrial point of view and can earn a long or much a very high profit. And obsolete or post-consumer scrap, it can be a different consumer which can be sell the different things and get a much profit, a high profit from these things. So in analyzing company commitment, it is also important to understand the difference between recycled steel and scrap steel. So what is an example of a recycling wood? Wood can be reused as building materials, recycled into mulch for landscaping or pulp for paper production, and used beneficial as a fuel. But in reusing and recycling would reduce the need to cut down trees and different trees and different type of. So how do you reuse wood scrap? Small pieces of wood can be perfect for various crafts such as making decorative signs, picture frames, or small storage shelves. So keep a designated bin in your workspace for storing scrap wood and sorted by size and types. So how do you use scrap timber? There are countless ways to use recycled wood and timber in a creative way, from furniture pieces to art projects or even building outdoor structures like a gas boss or deck. And best of all, it's not only much cheaper to buy than new wood or timber, but it is eco-friendly, and definitely it can be much interesting and much inspirable for my dear guys, for my dear audience, because it can be a different use and different with different point of view we can use it. So, my dear guys, these ideas is I especially hire for my dear audience children. We can make from them different toys, different chairs, different benches, different tables, different other things which we can be used for decor purpose or for special reusable wood we can use from learning these ideas. So my dear guys, thanks very much because you share my video, you subscribe my channel, and once again you share my video. Thank you very much guys.